Hello and welcome to another video of Spares and Repairs. Today we have a 2010 Skoda Roomster in for an oil change and pollen filter. So let's crack on with the video. Come on. This is the drain plug, just draining the oil now. This is the drain plug for the oil, using a 19mm spanner. Oil drain now, put the sump plug back in. Torque it up to correct spec. That's the oil drained. Now to do the filter. This is the oil filter here. I've already loosened it already. Just be careful, undo it slowly because oil might come out and go all over the alternator. So what I like to do is I just like to catch the oil when undoing it, just so to make it like nice and tidy. Just a tip, make sure that this seal on the oil filter comes out with the filter, because sometimes it gets trapped in this housing and people don't take precaution and just put the oil filter, new oil filter on without checking to see if this filter has come out with the oil filter, and this will give you oil pressure faults, so just be mindful on that. New oil filter, we've already put a film of oil on it already. Just put it in by hand. That's the oil filter done. Just doing the pollen filter now. That's what I do. Move that in. Like that. It should pop down. Get that replaced. Genuine one. Airflow arrow, air flowing into the cabin. Slide in. The base of the filter. And then slide these over, and that's the pollen filter done. And that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Oil in the engine, topped up to the correct levels. Coolant, screen wash, all the levels are topped up. Tire pressures are done. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.